Everybody, welcome back to the dumbest scale modeling channel on all of YouTube, Pitstain Hobbies. I'm your host, Ian, aka Doe. Yeah, we were at WonderFest 2024. I was at WonderFest. I say we because I was there with a bunch of my buddies from our modeling group, Hobby Time Modelers. But we were at WonderFest. I entered a few models. I did win a gold. I did win a silver. But what I was so shocked at was this particular model. This thing I built on a Friday night live stream while fairly well inebriated. And, I just did a little hand painting. I airbrushed it, and then I just, did a little hand painting details and, some dry brushing and all that stuff. And won a friggin' bronze medal from WonderFest. It also got one of those cards from Fine Scale Modelers and ended up on their website WonderFest coverage page. I don't know if it'll be in the magazine or not in coming months, but I was blown away. I was very, very flattered and humbled by that. I don't think I did a fantastic job on this model, but I don't know. But it's from the video game Metal Slug. As most of you clicked on this video, saw the thumbnail. Yes, Metal Slug, that fun little side shooter video game with all the cute little cartoonish vehicles. And I've always been a huge fan of cartoony military vehicles, specifically cartoony tanks. Because one of my favorite animes of all time is New Dominion Tank Police. And not one of my favorite, I just really liked it, live action movies was Tank Girl. Because it had just ridiculous looking tanks in them, just silly, adorable, crazy looking, accentuated tanks. I was bored the other night during a live stream, and I built this other model from, it was Metal Slug X, was the Landseek. So I painted the little wood ammo crates and the little, tarpy roof and the little, tarp rolls and the shovels, and did the interior a decent job with the seats, and painted the headlights, the tires, the tracks, did a little weathering, got all the tail lights on there. These are fun little models to build. Let me go back out to the other camera. Like I need a producer. I got all 6 of the first run of these Metal Slug X kits when they came out, and I got them pretty cheap. They were, I think, like $12 each or something, or $10 each, or they were $12 each, and like USA Gundam Store had some 20% sale. So we also have the Slug Flyer, the little Harrier jump jet, cartoony caricature. Okay, and we got the Shoe Tank, which is pretty cool. Love the Shoe Tank. That's pretty sick. And we got the Melty Honey, which is another one of the awesome vehicles from the game. Very nice. And we got the Cerubia, the bad guys. They got the little X instead of the way worse symbol. But, there's that. It's like the most ridiculous center of gravity. It's like it shouldn't exist. But if you build if you got all 6 of these, you get a bonus model with the little Commander's helmet tank. I forgot what the hell that's called. I just played the game. I really didn't get into like the lore and all the other stuff. I don't know if there was books or anything or any other content. But I got all those, and you start getting parts with every model. You get a piece of the baddie vehicle. So this is what we've gotten so far. Was you got the tracks for it, and we got the helmet part. Reminds me a little of Spaceballs, and I believe we have the bad guy that pilots it. I think he came there too. Yeah, because we got 2 other guys here. We got a guy with a rocket launcher. Not sure if that was him. Was that? No, yeah. This was the dude. Yeah, the yelling, angry dude with the beret. That's the bad guy. And these go with the other ones. I'm not a big figure painter guy, but maybe I'll get around to doing them someday. So we got all those, and we got started on our bonus models. So you get 7 models if you buy 6, which is such a Hasbro thing. Like, this is from Xinshi Hobbies. Don't even Google them. You're not going to find them. Just type in Metal Slug models, and you'll see them. Well, they came out with a new set. Totally missed it. So I had to pay through the nose on Amazon about $18 a piece. But we got all the models from Metal Slug 3. So that's cool. We got the Astro Slug, little spaceship. That's pretty cool. And here's the bonus model for this set. Is a little baddie mecha, which is cool. We've got the Slug Copter, which that looks cool. I'm going to have to paint these figures, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to see about it. Some of them at least. We've got the Drill Slug. That's pretty cool. The Slug Mariner, little slug sub. Okay, and then we got the Slugnoid. Now, Metal Slug 3, I think, came out before the Matrix movie where they were attacking, you know, HQ. That looks familiar. Interesting. Maybe one of the Matrix guys was a Metal Slug fan. And then we've got the 3-ton truck, which has the baddies symbol on there. And again, it'll show you the picture of the bonus model. So each of these will come with some of those bonus parts. Let me see here if we can pick them out. But yeah, they're all fairly simple models. These seem a little more complex. Looks like it comes with like the arms for that little bad guy mecha thing. But these are really, really cool models. They're fairly simple builds. Comes with some Fat Man figure. The boxes are definitely bigger for these newer ones, but I think they also repackaged the older models in these new larger boxes. Yeah, they're kind of cool. I mean, look at this. The Drill Slug. I'm not going to open every single one of these, but like, there's the drill. It has a little jack mechanism to like raise it up. I don't remember using this vehicle. I don't know if I ever played Metal Slug 3, to be honest. I know I played the original Metal Slug back in the arcade. I'm not sure. I'd have to think about that. Oh, these are rubber, these tracks now. The tracks on so far that I've built on the first two Metal Slug X models have been rigid plastic tracks. And I'm putting that box lid on upside down, but there's no wrong way. But it actually, does it show a picture? It doesn't show a picture, but you can put those little those scissor jacks under it and raise it up in the air a little. But yeah, the helicopter's cool, little Astro Slug, I don't know. These are just fun. They're cute. And like I said, they're fairly easy, quick builds. They're very, very cool. We've got some big Gatling guns here. The Astro Slug even have Gatling guns on it? Oh yeah, it does. It's 4. Wow. Okay then. That thing's going to be heavily armed. Yeah, so these will be fun. If you want to see me build these, what I generally do with them is I will build them while I'm on a live stream with the guys, because they're just kind of fun. If anyone wants to really see me do like proper build videos on all these things, here, let me put these boxes this way. If anyone wants to see me do proper build videos on these, and I'm just like knocking around my finished models, well, here do you want his bronze? He's done working. You can retire now, little man. There you go. Cute little adorable tank. You're so cute. Aren't you precious? Yeah, they're really cute models. I like them. They're economical because you don't use a lot of paint, and you don't use a lot of your soul. You still have your soul left when you're done building one of these. They go together really well too. The fitment on them, I didn't have to sand or fill a damn thing. I could have, closed up a couple like little panel line where seam lines. They're not seam lines. They're just where the panels meet. But you really don't need to. They're I don't know. Maybe it's because they're so damn tiny. But they're fun little things to build. So either way, hey, let me know in the comments below if you want to see me build any of these just as standard content on my channel. Otherwise, come check out the Hobby Time Modelers. We're on, every Wednesday we're working on the Bandai Perfect Grade Millennium Falcon. On Fridays, it's a free-for-all, and same thing on Sundays. Just whatever the hell we want to work on, we work on. And there's a lot of BSing, there's a lot of joking. There's a lot of joking in the comments. We try to read everything, and sometimes we can't even read a comment because we're like, oh dear, I don't think I could say that out loud on YouTube. But yeah, so that's it. We've got a whole bunch of these. It's an addiction now. How bad is the addiction? Well, when I saw these, they reminded me of when I was a kid and I was playing Metal Slug. And so much so that I had to go and buy one of these silly things on Amazon, a Neo Geo Mini thing. It's really cool, and I got the little. I had to get a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter to hook it up to my cable, and I got the little combo with a controller, and the fact that this is now a Neo Geo. When we were kids, a Neo Geo is some like $600 mega video game system that like almost nobody, well, I mean in the Bronx, where I grew up, it was basically like a kind of nicer housing project. There was not a ton of money floating around the neighborhood, although you would see a Ferrari parked in the garage once in a while. Guy lived with his grandma, didn't disclose his income. But I bought it. It has Metal Slug through Metal Slug 5. It doesn't have Metal Slug X on it. I was misled by Amazon. I'll have to find another mini system. I might return that one and get another one that has more of the Metal Slug games. But either way, yeah, that's it. We're addicted to Metal Slug miniature models now on this channel as well. Great. Another habit I've picked up in the modeling. But I love them. I love them. They're so adorable. Oh, they're so cute. Yes, they are. Yeah, it doesn't get old. And the paint color, if anyone's wondering, is the base color is Tamiya light gray. It dries a lot bluer than it looks in this jar. I don't know why, but yeah, it's a fairly nice bluish gray. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, let me know in the comments what you want me to do with these things. Adios.